Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be teaching you how to fix a flat tire. Let's get right into the video. So what you're going to need for this video, it will come in a little box like this or something, just like that. And you're going to need some sandpaper, a little piece, one of these tools, I don't know what it's called, and some glue, and a patch. Okay, so this one's not popped, but I'm gonna pop it just to show you guys a reputation. Okay, well this one's isn't that important because it's kind of old, and so you're gonna use this tool. You're gonna grab it like this. You're gonna stick it in there and pop it out of its circuit thing. Thingy-ma-bobber. And just do that all the way around. Just like so. And then it should look like this. You can see the tube. Okay. So what you're going to do next is you're going to take this. As you can see, there's still the little pipe thing right there that you pump it up, the valve, and you're gonna stick that right through there. So what we're doing is we're getting it. Actually, we can just take this whole top black tire off, so don't listen to any of what I just told you guys to do. So next what you're going to do is you're just gonna You're going to turn it around. You want the valve to be at the bottom. And you're going to take your tool again and do it on the opposite side. And just kind of dig it into place. And that's what it should look like. And it should just come out of socket like that. And then pull it out of that. Okay, next what you're going to do, put that aside. So you're going to check this to see. So we put some electrical tape around this because we lost the thing, and that was what was causing pops and stuff like that. So you're going to make sure that's all covered up for the spokes and the little screwy things on it. And yeah, so make sure not to cover where the valve goes in, as you can see right there. Okay, quick question for you guys. What lighting should I do? This one or this one? I think I kind of like this one more than this one, but that's up to you guys. Okay, next section. Okay, next. So you're just gonna fill all the way around that if there's any spiky stuff. All the way around the rim until you get to that same place that you started. Okay, next you're going to set this aside and we're gonna get this back up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get it by the valve, pull the tube out. And we're just gonna set this tube aside too. So what you're gonna do now is you're just gonna go through the tube, the tire, and you're going to feel if there's any spiky stuff all the way around. You might want to go over that a few times, but I'm only gonna go around it once. I don't want to miss any pops. Okay, so this is perfectly fine. Now we're gonna go back to the tube. Now, this tube isn't popped, but I'm going to make one. Our dog's wearing a life vest. Okay, so I'm just going to pop it with a pencil. Okay, now there's a hole in it. Right here. Next to this patch. But actually it's like right there. Okay, so now I'm just gonna lose it. Just do all this kind of stuff. Just lose where the patch is. I didn't even pay attention to the valve because then that would kind of give it away. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna pump it up. I just did it with my mouth. Now you're just gonna fill around it where that hole is. I feel something down here. Oh, I found it. Right there. You can kind of see where that popped. Okay, so yeah, that was good. Now, you're going to mark it with a pencil. Or, well, not a pencil because it might make another pop. A pen that is not, that it's not sharp. Okay, now it's marked. Now, you're gonna take your scratching, whatever it is, device or, well, scratching tool, and you're just gonna scratch that whole area that you marked where it was. You might want to use a pen because the kind of marker that I'm using is just a Sharpie, a black Sharpie, and it disappears. So just keep that in mind. Okay, I got that. Make sure to not touch that area. Next, you're gonna take your glue and open up your glue. Okay, most type of glues, they go out fast, so just be careful about that. And you're just going to put that on the glue in that all of that area that you did the thing on, that you scratched. And you're just going to put it all around that area. You want it to, the glue to look a little bit bigger than the patch. Okay, so that's where I put the glue on. Now you're just gonna blow on it. Okay, now that's what it should look like. Right there, it should look pretty dry. Next, you're gonna just close your glue up to make sure that doesn't spill. You can hear my dog. He's in a life vest, so he's like really loud. Dragging or along. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that means the white stuff on that means that the patch is pretty old, but that's fine because it's in the middle, so we just need mostly just the outside. Now you're just going to place your patch on. Don't touch the bottom of your patch, or don't take the plastic off the top. Now you're gonna use this tool and you're gonna press it against it. Make sure not to use anything sharp. And just gonna go along all sides. Just like so. And that's what it should look like. Next, we're going to just wait for that to dry. 2 hours later. 2 million hours later. Okay, the time has come. That was only like 20 seconds, but who cares? You do want it to dry a little bit more than that. Here, just give it a blow around the outsides. So all that, it's just in. Make sure none of these scraps get left behind in the tube because they will pop it. And that's not good because then you have to redo it all over again. Okay, so next we're going to... Okay. Next we're going to just keep that dry. Oh, just search all around it to make sure it's all closed in. It's kind of weird because on bike tires, you want the glue to be dry before you put the patch on. With like paper and normal stuff, you don't want it to. You're just gonna go around that. All those edges. Now, it should just look like a normal patch. Now you're just going to blow it up a little bit. Okay, you don't want it to go all the way up so you can fit it in easily or more easily. Next, you're going to take your tire, put your tube into the tire all the way around. Well, you patched off the tube, so that's good. Now we just have to get it back in. And you're just going to slowly but surely make it in. Just like that. Just keep going around. Okay, that's what it should look like with the little valve sticking out there. And next, you're going to get your rim. And you're just going to find the valve right here. And then find that on your rim. That's right here. And then you're just going to fit your valve through the rim's valve hole that it's supposed to go in, and you're just going to get it in like that, mostly just in. Okay, and then you're just going to take this tool again, and you're just going to fidget around with it and just get it into place. Make sure to not pinch the tube. Just like that. Okay, so if that's what it looks like, a little bit it is in it, and then there's that section left, you're just gonna go onto the other side and just keep getting that in. Just like so. Okay. And there you got it. You have finally fixed a pot. Good luck, or congratulations if you've been just doing it along with me. And yeah, make sure to pump that up. And thanks for watching. Make sure to pump that subscribe button and give it a like.